Hi, in this video, I am going to teach you how to create an Amazon affiliate account. With this, you can generate affiliate links so that when people purchase a product, you will get commissions out of it. So all you have to do is head over to your browser here and type Amazon affiliate, and the results will come up showing you this Amazon Associates form. Then you can click on it and then click on this button here which says sign up. Please note that if you don't already have an Amazon account, you will have to create one. But since I have an Amazon account, I will simply input my password and click on it. And here you see I have signed into the Amazon Associates. You basically just have to fill in some of this information. And when you're done, you click on next. Now for this part where it asks you for a website or a mobile app, note that if you don't have a website, you can use your active social media account. For example, I'll head over to my YouTube because I have a YouTube channel which I'm currently advertising my products with. Wait for it to load. Head over to where my channel is and then I'll click on it. So this is it, the infinite code. Here I'll just copy the link to my channel. When I'm done copying it, I will come over here and paste it. After that, you click on add, and you'll see the question that's asked about some traffic sources. What I want you to do is come over here and click on go, and then click on confirm. Lastly, you will see this page where you'll be asked to fill in your store ID, which is basically any name you would like for it to appear in your affiliate link. So for me, I'm going to use the Infinite Code since that is the name of my YouTube channel, and here you can add a description of your choice, which I'm going to go ahead. For which of the following best describes your content, click on search, and then you click on online search, complete the captcha, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on finish. And that's it, you've applied to the Amazon Associates program. You may choose to enter your tax information later, and here you will see your associate ID. As you can see, mine is Infinite Code. Also, here you can see that if you don't make a sale within 180 days, your assets will be withdrawn. So that's it. In the next video, I'll teach you how to generate an affiliate link, and then you can share it with others so that when they make a purchase, you get a commission out of it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.